This is a Chevrolet Equinox 2010 through 2017, and we are removing the window regulator and motor. First thing we have to do is to remove the inside door panel. Now, to remove the door panel, we first have to start by removing this cover behind the door pull right here. There's a little cover right there, and underneath there you will find a screw, so we need to remove that now. Next, we need to remove this cover below the pull, and underneath there you will see two screws, and we have to remove those now. We got to take the inside door panel off. Pop that off. Lift that up. And then we have to disconnect this wire right here from the door. Pop that back, take that off. Alright, take this weather deflector off. Be careful. We don't want to destroy it because we're going to put it back. There are three 7mm headed screws that hold the speaker on, and we need to remove those because behind there you will see right there the clamp that holds the window on. And there is a 10mm headed nut right there we have to loosen. And we got the window down about 1/3 of the way, and we can loosen the 10mm headed nut on the other clamp on the other side. And that's where they're at. And we got the window down that far so we can loosen the clamps. So we're going to loosen the clamps now. Now, I pulled up on the glass and I stuck a door stop in there to hold the glass in the upright position. There's the door stop stuck in the glass. So now the door glass is not on the regulator, so now we can remove our motor and regulator. Next, we have to loosen this 10mm bolt, this one, and loosen this one, and this one down here has to be removed, and there should be one right there below the speaker, and we need to remove that 10mm headed bolt. So let's remove those bolts now. Alright, we have to disconnect our electrical connector from the motor. Okay, we got these bottom 10mm bolts that we have to remove. You gotta loosen that, Rich. These are the bottom 10mm bolts we have to remove. There's nothing holding the regulator and motor in now, so we'll just lift up on it, clear the bolts. There it is. The motor and regulator are all out. Now if you want to disconnect the motor, there are 3 Phillips head screws right here. And you can remove the motor from the regulator. That's it. That's all there is to removing a window motor and regulator from a Chevy Equinox.